Still Craft Film channel. So today we're going to be repotting these blueberries. I got a couple of soil here, some topsoil, planting soil, and we have a big broken bucket here we're going to use. And I also have acidifier, soil acidifier. So blueberries thrive in acidic soil, and we have an alkaline soil, so we have to put a fertilizer or a soil acidifier to make the plants healthy.
Ow.
I'm using haltone to make the soil acidic. I'm just gonna mix two cups of this fertilizer in these bags. I got this organic planting bags where you can mix fertilizer and soil, and we're gonna plant the blueberries here. So I got a total of 4 blueberries. I also have 2 blueberries over there. I don't know if they're dead, but they really haven't grown much. So let's get started. All this soil in this bucket, and then we're gonna add some organic mulch. The topsoil, organic potting soil,
Nothing. Mommy, it's going back inside you.
So I'm just gonna mix the topsoil and the potting soil. I have mixed my topsoil and my potting soil, so we're gonna put it here now.
What is that? I will do it next. This one.
2 of these 7-gallon pots with, fill them 3/4 full of soil mixture. Now we're gonna plant the blueberries. So let's start with this. There you go. There you go. It's nice and moist, and we're gonna, that's enough, boys, that's enough. So I'm gonna dig a hole. It just needs to be like soil level, so there we go. I hope this survives.
I can more one for you.
Here's our first blueberry, guys.
I'm gonna put the next one.
Hey, not yet, Naomi. We're gonna do one pot at a time.
Where should I put this? Oh wait, they're gonna get their own?
Yeah, they're gonna all get their own.
Their own.
Noah! What are you doing? That's enough. No more, no more. We're gonna pack it on the sides. That's enough, Noah. And then we're gonna mulch. See, it's just level. That's enough, Noah. That's enough. Right, so we got 1 down. We got 4 more to go.
Okay, so how much does this cost? 14?
Did our 6 blueberries. 1, 2, and then we got 2 here and 2 here. Now I'm gonna put some mulch. This is a brown organic mulch.
Can you do the other one, please?
So there's the mulch. Is reading Tatos?
Yeah, no, 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 no. What's the thing to buy?
blueberries.